Hello, good day everyone. I'm Teps. Welcome back to this channel. This next repair is a Skyworth 43 inches smart LED TV. It's not turning on and a standby light indicator only. I will show you how to repair it step by step. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe now and hit the notification bell so you will never miss a video like this. So let's get started.
This is Mission Control Houston. You're looking at the Orion spacecraft. It splashed down about 6.5 minutes ago at 11:40 a.m. Central Time, 9:40 a.m. Pacific Time. From the ship, indicate no damage.
Not turning with the light indicator only is also a voltage issue.
Good view.
So let's start with measuring the main voltages.
And the initial Navy boats that will be approaching Orion.
12 volts is present and stable.
Once again, the splashdown occurring at 11:40 a.m. Central Time, 9:40 a.m.
And 29 volts is also present, which is the LED backlight supply. Seems the main secondary voltage is normal. Let's remove the main board for a better view. Now make a measurement of the lower voltages. .5 volts in this DC to DC, 0 volts here. And also 0 in this DC to DC. .9 here. And 4.1 volts. A normal standby voltages are 3.3 volts and 5 volts. I feel warm in this area. I don't have a thermal camera, so I use the candle technique. That transistor is heating up. The transistor voltage is low but makes a high temperature. Let's hang the transistor and see what is the result. We have 3.3 volts here now. It was 0.9 volts when the transistor was connected. And 3.3 volts on the source of this MOSFET transistor. The drain is shorted. Seems this MOSFET transistor is the switch on and off of this Wi-Fi device. Cutting the line to test which is the shorted. Looks like the Wi-Fi device is shorted. The short circuit is gone. I use the candle technique again and inject voltage. The chip is heating up. There is no way to repair it. The TV will still operate without the Wi-Fi.
That's not good for speed.
It's working now.
A few moments later.
The TV is now working great. It can go online without the Wi-Fi by using the LAN port. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked my video. Once again I'm Tefs. See you again next time. Bye for now.